How you doing, guys? Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is the HTML Email Developer YouTube channel. Lately, I've not been seeing a lot of HTML email developer positions. To be honest, this is the first time in a while that I haven't seen many. But again, we have our ebooks right here, and we also added an ebook on how to become a web content editor as well. I know you guys, you know, always express that you don't see a lot of email developer positions, which is true. And I think there's reasons for that. But so also I'm trying to look for other jobs that got good pay, and that you guys will be interested in. That's in the tech field. So again, there's the ebook how to become a web content editor, and we're gonna go to we have this position right here. I think I reviewed this company before, Shift Paradigm, and they have two positions available. I'm assuming that this is two, if it's not an error. It just says United States right here, and it says New York, but it's remote. So this is probably the same position that I reviewed a few months back. I don't even know if this is a permanent position or not, but I'm assuming it's available again, and it was the one that I reviewed a few months ago. So let's get into it. They're paying 85 to 110 a month. I mean a year salary. That's good. That's pretty good. And yeah, they have us a lot of applicants, so don't let this deter you. Just put in your resume anyway. You just never know. Just never know. Especially if you think you're qualified for the position. So let's get into the responsibilities. I went over this, and I didn't see anything that was complex about it at all, especially for the pay. It maxed out at 110. That's pretty good for what they're asking. So it says develop, maintain, and optimize full responsive modular email templates. Translate complex user stories into highly personalized emails using AMP script. I haven't used AMP script, but I've heard of it, and I've seen how you use it on a couple of Udemy courses. So it's not anything that's going to be hard to learn. So just remember that. Don't be intimidated by that. It says perform thorough quality assurance to ensure campaigns render error-free. So we talked about that. They're just making sure once they're done, you're done coding their email, that comes out email template that it comes out in the email looking flawless, looking good, and has good quality. It says across email clients devices via email on assets and limits. So just testing the emails, making sure they render good, making sure they're mobile friendly, and just making sure they look good on whether it's AOL, Yahoo, what else they got? Android, iPhone. Those are what they call clients. Making sure it renders in whatever email, Outlook as well, whatever email that you email it to or client. Making sure everything looks good and flawless. Provide guidance and as an SME on email technologies and capabilities. I'm not sure what SME is. I'm sure I've seen it before, but not sure what it is. So if anybody can explain that to me, I'd appreciate that. Also, it says work collaboratively with other developers and QA specialists to create efficiencies in process. So you're just working with the developers. Sometimes they may have issues with the creatives, and you have to bring that issue up to them, let them know. Sometimes things may be out of place. It may be fonts, maybe the alignment, or it may just be something that's inconsistent with the directions that they give you, which may come on a spreadsheet or it may comes in a Word document. So you want to make sure you get with those developers and make sure the creatives look how they're supposed to look, according to the process and according to the directions that are given to you. And when they say, QA, that's the QA team that, they look over your work, and if they see anything that's wrong or anything that need to be updated, then, they will contact you, and they will let you know what needs to be corrected. So, And it says provide support, training, and mentorship for junior team members. Now, that's probably where that 110 may come in. That 110K may come in salary, because you're going to be helping other people. You're going to be training other people. You're going to be mentoring people. And I know people may be intimidated by that. And I understand, because I was that way before. Just in general, not even just with email development. But I'm just trying to give you guys, confidence, and just, don't be intimidated by this. I know it's easy for me to say, because especially at my age now. But when I was younger, yeah, this would make me not even apply for the job at all. I'd have just went away. But for the pay, it's not bad, and I don't think they're going to be asking you a whole lot. But if you're a veteran in this game like me, then of course this shouldn't deter you. I mean, although a lot of people still don't want to train, even though they may have a lot of experience. But just don't let this deter you. And just do your train, and mentor people, and go from there, and do your job, and have confidence. Okay, qualifications and experience: 5 years of experience coding, testing, and deploying email campaigns. This is not necessary. It doesn't even take 5 years to learn all this stuff. So don't pay attention to the years. Please don't pay attention to the years. Working knowledge of Adobe Photoshop XD, capable of converting creative designs to pixel perfect HTML, CSS. That just means just code the email, and make it look nice, using tables, HTML, CSS. That's all that means. Adobe Photoshop. Now I know where I work at, they we slice images. We have to slice our images. So I'm not sure if they have to slice their images here, but I'm assuming they do. And also XD, we work with XD as well. Remember, XD is just a software that you're gonna pretty much export your creatives or your images from, and then you're gonna upload them into Adobe Photoshop to slice the images. Now, I'm assuming that's the way they do it as well, but I can't confirm that. But that's what I'm assuming. So it says proven experience coding campaigns with complex dynamic content. So you have to know dynamic content. They had personalization content as well. So just go look at YouTube and look that up and find out what it is. But I mean, it's different types of email coding campaigns. But still you're gonna have to code at the end of the day. Through thorough understanding of email principles and email best practices, A/B testing, dynamic content, campaign automation. So this sounds like a little bit more of email marketing duties right here. So you may be doing that as well. I'm not sure, from time to time, but again, that's something else you can learn while you're on the job, and you can put that on your resume if they ask you to perform those duties. Excellent communication and time management skills. So yes, you have to speak to so many different people. I'll take that back. Not so many people, but you're gonna have to talk to people. Like I said, my position, the workflow team, project manager, the QA team, first team, then the second team. And you got to talk to all these people. And then sometimes the workflow team. In my case, because I have to trigger the emails. If you have to trigger the emails, then you will know the workflow team will have to set that up. So all these things come into play, and they say time management. Well, you're going to have only so many days or maybe hours. Well, I'm going to say days to get this done, get your email template done. So you got to use your time wisely while you're talking to everybody, and you're coming up with these issues, and you have to go back in and change things, and you're gonna have to talk to people and express what's going on with the email template, especially if there's errors, call outs, anything you need to fix. Ability to work independently as a part of a team, managing deadlines and obtaining necessary approvals. So again, This said that. This said that in a nutshell. It's pretty much the same thing I just said. You got to work by yourself. Of course, you got to work by yourself, and you got to be a part of the team. We know that, and you got to manage your deadlines and obtain necessary approvals, so they can go ahead and get the email out. Email template out. Sorry. Proficiency in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. You don't have to have experience in Journey Builder. Man, what happened? What happened? Sorry about that. You don't have to have experience in a Journey Builder. It's a plus though. But if you look up Journey Builder again, it's not hard to build a template, email template in Journey Builder. I've looked at it before, and it wasn't intimidating at all. It was pretty easy, in my opinion. So proficiency with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So yes, don't let this stop you guys from putting in your resume. Again, I haven't worked on the job with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, but still apply. Experience with dynamic email campaigns and AMP script functionalities, and experience working with API frameworks. Again, guys, this job is not asking a whole lot, and I'm gonna be honest. This is not bad at all for what they're asking. Not bad at all. I think they also offer a medical, dental, perhaps, all those different benefits and perks. I'm not sure if this is a contract position or is it a full-time permanent position. I'm not quite sure. But anyway, guys, just go ahead and apply. It don't hurt to apply. So, just keep, working hard. I know, like I said, the last few months, it's not been easy looking for email developer positions, and that's why I haven't posted many as I would like to, because it's kind of it's kind of slowed down, to be honest. I don't know if that's maybe the market right now, if it's getting close to the holidays or whatever, but hopefully it ramps up at the beginning of the year. But anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Take care.